Alright guys, part 2 of trying to see if we can get this Yardman's MTD push mower going. I am going to try to see if I can attempt to start this just as is. It's got a little bit of gas in the tank, not much, but it's priming a little bit. So I'm going to try it here and see what it does real quick. Here we go. Try to start. Let's try a little bit of carburetor cleaner. See what it is. That's a plus. Alright. I'll put a little bit of gas in here. See what it does. I don't know if it's old gas. There's very little gas in here. Just gonna put enough in there to see what it does. Try it again. Well, after fooling with it and adjusting the governor, I actually got this to run. So let me show you guys what it's doing now. Adjust the governor. It was pushed back. I've got to change the oil, sharpen the blade, and it's ready to move on. So I'll do that real quick and I'll come right back. This blade I was going to sharpen off of this MTD Yardman, but it's way out of balance, as you can tell. And furthermore, I tried sharpening it and it's got so many nicks and cuts into it, I don't think it's worth saving. So I had another MTD blade I just sharpened here, and it's about as level as it's gonna get. So I'll go ahead and throw this on the mower real quick. Just wanted to show you all the debris that was underneath this mower here. Now I'm putting the new blade on and tightening it up. I don't know if you can see this from me draining the oil out right there, and it was all milky. So I'm going to put some fresh oil in here and we're going to give this thing a start. Got the mower cleaned up now. This is his final look and start. I actually have somebody to buy it from me. I'm going to go take it to. So I just wanted to show you guys real quick the finished product. It cleaned up real good. I didn't hose it down or anything. I just gave it a quick cleaning with Purple Power. Changed the oil. And I put a different blade on it because the blade was shot. So it's going to go to a new owner. So I'm going to give it its last start here. Give it a few primes. And here we go. Put more gas in it, but that's the reason why it's doing that. But just wanted to show you guys this yard man. Stay tuned for more videos.